In today's video, I will walk you through how to view the cryptocurrency converter on investing.com. The cryptocurrency converter on investing.com makes it easy to check the estimated value of one cryptocurrency compared to another cryptocurrency or a traditional currency. It's a convenient tool for quickly comparing exchange values without having to calculate them manually. First, let's locate the tool. Go to investing.com. Hover over the Markets tab in the main navigation bar and select Cryptocurrency, then Currency Converter. Once the cryptocurrency converter opens, you'll see two selection fields. The first field is for the cryptocurrency you want to convert from, while the second field is for the cryptocurrency or fiat currency you want to convert into. Start by selecting the cryptocurrency you want to convert. For example, you can choose Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, or any other supported digital asset available in the list. Next, choose the currency you want to convert it to. Depending on your needs, you can select another cryptocurrency or a traditional currency, such as the US dollar, euro, British pound, or many other supported currencies. After selecting both currencies, enter the amount you want to convert into the input field. As soon as you enter the value, the converter automatically calculates the estimated equivalent amount based on the latest available exchange rate. The results are displayed instantly, allowing you to quickly compare the value between the two selected currencies. If you want to compare different cryptocurrencies or fiat currencies, simply change either selection, and the conversion updates automatically. You can also swap the selected currencies if you want to perform the conversion in the opposite direction. This saves time and lets you compare values without having to manually reselect both currencies. Since cryptocurrency prices change continuously throughout the day, the converter reflects the latest available market rates. Revisiting the tool or entering a new amount allows you to monitor updated conversion values as market prices fluctuate. That's all there is to viewing the cryptocurrency converter on investing.com.